Alright, so this is my son's little play kitchen here. Right now he's only 5 months old, so it's being used as kind of like a toy holder, but yeah, this is it. So I found these little wooden boxes of the wooden toys at the thrift store. I believe this is by Melissa and Doug. So yeah, what comes in it is there's a little lemon, banana, tomato, watermelon. I just love that these are wooden. It's kind of hard to come across at the thrift store, at least. Olive oil, cute. Alright, and for the second box, we've got milk, an egg, butter, a little block of cheese, and this kind of cheese as well. And for the third box, you've got a little jerky leg, little fish, a hot dog, some steak, and a burger patty. And then these didn't come with it, but I thought these were cute. It's like a little tongs. Alright, and for the last one, we've got the bread. So I think it might be missing a few pieces, but you've got a top of a sandwich here. And then you've got the little burger patties. And then 2 pieces of toast. So yeah, I found at the thrift store, Melissa and Doug. And food groups. 21 whole pieces, so I didn't count, but I think there might be a few missing pieces. But for the thrift store, pretty good find.